is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GB WhatsApp update problem on your iPhone. So as you can see, if you have these issues, basically what you have to do is go to Settings, go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and then you'd want to find the WhatsApp app. Now, at the moment, I don't have it installed, but the steps are the same. So let's say that this is the app. You just want to tap on it. Then you want to click on Offload app again, and then here is going to say Reinstall app, and then you basically just reinstall it. And another way is that you go to your App Store, search for that app, open it, and if it does say open, then it's the latest version, but if it says update, you definitely want to update it and try it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.